So folks, no further ado, let's jump to Chainsaw Man episode 9 folks. I think I am on the episode 9 right now. Yeah, it's hard because Himeno is fine for me because they flesh her out a little bit, but Makima, Makima literally died, like, come on, So folks, no further ado, let's jump to Chainsaw Man episode 9 folks. So if you're new to my channel, slap the subscribe button folks, like if you want, and comment if you want to folks, and yeah folks, no further ado, leggy, let go, let's go, come on.
目的はチェンソーの心臓だ。追わなくていい。
Oh, it's still moving. Oh, thank you, yo. She always go to the clutch, yo.
心臓は傷つけないで。
The best ED, the best ED.
てめえらが悪いやつだってことだけや。なんとなく分かったぜ。
Yo, Chainsaw Devil versus Sword Devil. That's a cool shot, yo.
こちら沢渡。練馬に死体ビル3階でチェーンソーと戦っている。援護しに来い。
Yo, Aki is dying to Fox. Okay, okay, we're on the upper hand. Yo, at least he did not kill people, yo. Okay. Taking some hostage.
Surprise, motherfucker! Bruh.
Wait, is that AI? Fox? If you don't know, AI Fox is kind of like the technique that used with a swordsmanship, Fox. In your own circle, you can slash anything. The one that Brain Anglas use, yo. That's an AI.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Yo! They literally died, yo. Fox. I know Fox, they are died, Makima died, Himeno died, but the others too, like, what's his name? The one with Kobeni? Arai-kun, and the others. Arai-kun is, as I saw, little, flesh out when it comes to characterization, but the others, they just introduced to the episode 7, yo, and they literally died, yo, on episode 8. But okay, no feelings that will gonna hurt, Fox, because they didn't flesh out, but Makima, shit, yo, Makima did die, yo. I can't believe it, Fox, yo. Like, I'm kinda like, I don't know what's my reaction on that, because, they didn't even flash out na.
LOL!
What?
LOL!
Fox. Why is she alive? Why? How? How on earth? How on earth? How on earth? Okay, so let's analyze this all, because that's so intriguing, that's so really intriguing. So a person contracts with the devil in exchange of anything, right? Like lifespan, something on your limb, kind of like that, just like Himeno, and if you are a devil contractor, if you die, literally die yo. You know what I mean, folks? Unless no, Makima's not a devil. But how yo? But how? If the devil contractor dies, the contract will gonna end, right? She died, but the contract is still ongoing. Folks? I thought at first that she is a devil, but they emphasize the blood when it comes to the devil. If you're gonna watch the sword devil, the sword hybrid devil, he has a blue blood on his sword, which indicates that he kills a devil, and also a red blood when it comes to a human that he kills. Makima has a red blood, and he is not a devil. So, what on earth is she? I'm confused here. So folks, that's my analysis, folks. So that's my analyzation, and let's go. Let's jump. I'm sorry for the first two. What is she?
東京で特1課、2課、3課、4課が襲撃されたらしいです。あ？マジ？マキマさん死んでる？
I need more information about Makima. Not a spoiler, but on this series, I want to get more information. Yo! Her gunshot on the head is gone.
死体があるから片付けさせて。会食は中止。どこか撃たれましたか？これは返り血。
That's not mine.
私は撃たれなかった。
What is she? What is she?
お前も手伝え。おい、なんか変な感じだ。ああ？
変な感じってどういう？
What the
Jesus Christ!
Who did that? Yo! That dude got squashed, yo!
こちら違反。こちら違反。さっきから違反。
Another one.
What the fuck? Is she doing it all?
Yes. Bruh.
なんで俺たちも目隠しを。
マキマさんは内閣官房長官直属のデビルハンターよ。一回
Rank and file devil hunters like us don't have clearance to know about her devil contract. So the viewers
三島修造と言いなさい。
三島修造。さっさとチェーンソー運べ。はい。おい、聞いてるのか、三島。
oh, this is Mishima.
Another one.
What the
Bruh.
what the
井上隆と言いなさい。
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
I feel they're dead more than the deaths of the public safety devil hunters, yo. Like, yo, their death is so brutal, yo. Okay, so yo, I don't get it, yo.
外してよし。
It's kind of like gravity or something, yo. And she's
ここで
smiling, yo.
私ができることは終わりました。東京に戻ります。
Damn, all of these convicts dead, yo. Ah! Kobeni! Oh, fuck, yo. Aray ko.
あなたたち銃撃犯ですよね。ヘリ。
Oh, wait! Oh. So that's the exchange of Snake's Devil's contract, you know, Fox, her nail. And I think Kobeni's contract is with the fighter devil, kind of like that, because, you know, she is so
殺そうとしてごめんね。
scaredy one, but she knows how to fight. And that's all I can think of, yo. The fighter devil.
殺そうとしてごめんね。なんだそれ。
I have. She attempts to murder him, yo.
ダメだ。ハイになっちゃってる。
Yep, she's so scared. She's so annoying, yo. But now, she's... Yo, aray kong dead.
私をかばって。私のせいで。姫の先輩に会ったら。
Oh, fuck, yo. It hits harder, yo.
特異1課、2課、3課、4課、ともに銃撃に遭い、
Okay, 1 to
人
4.
外以外はほとんど全員死にました。
得意か。
Yo, so casually, yo.
銃の悪魔が関わっているだろうね。
And this fox on the background did not even surprise you
人員
with
不足の
that amount of blood, yo.
公安大麻得意4課、マキマさんの指揮官。
Okay, so it combines, right? And the leader is Makima. Fuck, yo. Her smile fox is so sinister, yo.
何？
Like,
僕の辞表です。
やめちゃうの？
最後に教えてください。マキマさんは今回の事態を どこまで想定していましたか？
Anticipate? So she know it will gonna happen?
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな。まどかくん、今までありがとう。
Ah, oh, because
これ渡しておく。
he quit, right? Okay, so we did not get any info よ。
マキマさん、俺たち得意科に入るわけやないですから。
指導に来ただけですから。
1週間ですぐ京都に戻りますから。
残念。東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
Yo, her skin's kinda like pale, yo. And yeah, folks, I'm done with Chainsaw Man episode 9. And folks, if you're new to my channel, slap the subscribe button, folks. Tapos yo. Ciao.